Hey everybody, once again, yesterday I made about 25 videos for all of my different social medias. No issue at all on my YouTube account, no issue on the Facebook account, the Joe Collins Experience, and of course no issues I ever get, no issues at all on the Clapper app. But then, TikTok. As you can see here, out of those like 24 videos that I posted, 2 of them got flagged by a liberal. That's right, the one, I don't know who it is, but there's a liberal that loves to come on my page and anything that's not pro-liberal, they like to write it as hate speech. And so the videos get taken down for hate speech. Then I appeal it, and as you see the results on both of them, bottom one says it's been restored, and the top one says it's been restored. I have circled both of them to show that. That's why I say that, you know, out of the 90 some odd videos that this guy has tried to flag as hate speech, I've had all but maybe 4 restored, and the 4 that wasn't deemed as hate speech. It was deemed as just not following policies or whatnot. But I'm sorry, a newsreel of Biden talking on CBS is not hate speech. I don't alter the video. I don't mess with the newsreel. I just play the newsreel. You just kind of sit there and hear Biden speak. If you're that offended by your own president, don't come after me. Talk to your congressman. And then this last video, the one on top, was about Disney and how they're just remaking all the same movies, but either changing the gender of the character, or the sexuality of the character, or the skin tone or color, whatever you want to say, of said character. And it was just a picture showing how they were doing that, and they tried to flag that as hate speech. But yet again, within minutes of me, appealing the, submitting an appeal, I was granted to have it back up again. Why? Because nothing I post is hate speech. No matter how hard you try, you always fail. But hey, at least I know I have one true follower.